Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to lock your Facebook profile. Now let's begin. Simply open up the Facebook application on your mobile device. Well, as you can see, I have logged into my account. In case you have not logged into Facebook, do log in right now. On the navbar right here, there are lots of options, but what we want to do is simply go to our profile. At the rightmost section, you will find your profile picture. Simply click on it. And from here, something like this will open up. Simply scroll down till you find something like settings and privacy. Well, now there are lots and lots of options. We simply need to go to the settings tab right here. Once you're in the settings and privacy tab, simply scroll down till you see something like profile locking. It's right here under the audience and visibility. Just click on it. Now something like this will pop up. Just click on this blue button at the very bottom that says lock your profile. Just click on it. And there you go. We have successfully locked our Facebook profile. Well guys, that's it. Locking your Facebook profile is as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.